Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my hydrating hair mask using honey and black molasses. So what you're going to need is 1/8 cup of molasses and a tablespoon of honey, and you'll just kind of combine them together, and that's pretty much it. You just mix those two together, and then you're going to add you can add an olive oil or whatever type of oil you would like to add. But first, what we're going to do is just kind of stir it together. Now, what the molasses is really contains vitamin B6, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, potassium, and selenium. So it's going to strengthen the hair. It has the highest amount of antioxidants compared to a refined sugar, corn syrup, raw cane sugar, and other available sweeteners. So you're going to mix it together to form pretty much a paste. The honey is definitely going to allow the molasses to bind to your hair cuticles. So this is definitely going to be good in strengthening the hair as well as darkening the color. You add the oils in there, and that's just going to pretty much hydrate it and promote growth. We don't want the hair to be dry, so the honey is definitely going to help stop breakage. It's going to moisten the hair. It's going to restore shine and improve condition of the hair, reducing frizz and adding softness. So continue to stir all these ingredients together, and we'll be using this as a hair treatment, and it can be a hair color as well. This is another way you can intake the molasses. So you're going to pour in your cup of coffee. And then I just use some Coffee Mate, just my creamer, just to kind of kill that taste of that molasses. So we're going to be using grandma molasses, and it's pretty much it's not really sweet and it's not bitter. So you go ahead and add the molasses inside the cup and stir it. It's unsulfured molasses, so it has less sugar pretty much. And it actually tastes like latte. So you're just going to, take 2 tablespoons of it and put it in there, and you just every day just consume, your coffee. And this is supposed to help reverse gray hair. I'm adding a little more creamer because I just wanted to taste, a little bit sweeter. So those are 2 ways you can, use the molasses. You can intake it or you can apply it to your hair. Alright, so I just pretty much shampooed my hair. I used my peppermint shampoo followed up with my conditioner so that I could detangle my hair and remove all the dirt and debris. So what you want to do is go ahead and start applying your mixture. I heated it up for 30 minutes. This is pretty much what I'm going to do is just pretty much follow along and just apply it to my scalp and my roots so that it penetrates. So I'm just pretty much going in because my hair has already been previously colored, so I'm just tinting it. And this is an experiment, guys. I just want to see if it's going to work on my gray hair. And I just have like light gray hair on my edges and like in the frontal area. So just apply it, okay? And so what this molasses is going to do, it's just pretty much supposed to help darken the hair and strengthen it. That's what it's supposed to do. And it's a natural remedy for reversing gray hair. And it has copper, which is a high antioxidant known to re-pigment the hair. So as you age and get older, of course, you lose melanin in your hair. So you definitely, this is hereditary. This is a hereditary thing as you age. So a lot of people get gray hair early in life. It doesn't really matter. It's just, we're trying to find ways to improve, our hair and, but the molasses is good for a lot of different things. You can use it as a hair mask. You can use it to cleanse the scalp. And like I said, I'm using it for coverage of grays. And also, if you mix it with the honey, you're gonna get softer hair. It's gonna condition it. It's gonna help strengthen it and add shine to it. So, of course, I applied the oil in there because the oil is definitely gonna help, with hair growth. So, and it's really soft, as you know, because I've already, like I said, conditioned it. So it's not hard for me to detangle it as I go. Continue this process throughout the whole head, and then once you're done, you want to make sure you add, you know, a little heat to it. I would say like 25 to 30 minutes, but if you got gray hair, maybe a little longer, maybe 45 minutes with best results. So what is in molasses? Molasses has a lot of different vitamins and minerals. You have the B6 in there. You have magnesium, potassium, zinc, copper. It's still a lot of different minerals found in it. So mainly the copper is what's going to help, like I said, give you that pigment and help reverse the grays. So I recommend that you do it internally. Like, make sure you apply the molasses, black strip molasses. You can add it in your coffee, 2 tablespoons, and drink it, you know, during the week. But you have to do it periodically. They say you have to do it periodically for up to a year. But you'll see some results like within 6 months. If not, if you got more gray hair, like 100% gray hair, of course it's going to take longer. So just have to continue doing it and see if it'll work for you. And like I said, guys, this is an experiment. So, and you know me, I like to do experiments, just to try different things. Okay, and also if you don't want to apply the molasses to your coffee, you can always just add it in your water, or you can, you know, add it to your smoothies. Now I got the molasses I bought was grandma's molasses, so it doesn't have as much sugar in it, so it's not going to have like a bitter taste to it. Actually, it tastes more like latte to me than it does coffee, like regular coffee. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I will just continue to follow this process throughout my whole head, and I will let this set in for 30 minutes, and I will get back with you with the full review and results of, you know, trying this molasses with this honey. It's already feeling soft. I notice a difference in my hair already. Very soft. So I'll get back with you with the result. It's been sitting in there for about, I'll say 5 minutes. So I'm going to apply my plastic bag, and I'm going to go sit up on a hooded dryer. But what I wanted to say is the honey definitely helps bind it to your hair cuticles. So that's the reason why I use the honey. And also I meant to say that honey is also going to help reduce frizz and give you more softer hair texture and help stop breakage. So I'm definitely going to get back with you guys with the results and let you know. So guys, here's the truthful, honest opinion about the black molasses. So I did use it as a treatment, like with the honey and the oil. So what it did to my hair is pretty much softened it. It treated it. It's actually smoother since I flat ironed it. So it did that, but however, the gray hair is still there in the roots. I can still see light little pieces of it. So it didn't really tint it. I mean, it does look a little darker, I will say that. So maybe it's just something you have to continue to do over time. I know that the intake of it you have to do regularly every day, 1 to 2 tablespoons recommended. So I will continue to do that, and I will keep you posted. So what I'm gonna do is just do it up until 6 months and just see the progress and see if any grays have been reversed. This was only an experiment, guys. I wasn't expecting, you know, a magic to happen to my hair. However, a lot of people say they get good results from it. So I just wanted to see for myself. I know this is the first time doing it, so you're not going to expect to see, you know, a disappearance of gray hair overnight. So it takes time. So like I said, I will continue to do it, and I will get back with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and always follow me on Tiana Creations and check out my latest tutorials and videos. Thanks for watching.